SharkBite push-fit plumbing solutions are about to make your emergency repairs and system extensions easier with our range of slip couplings and slip tees. Burst pipes, pipe wear and tear, and even accidental damage are now as quick and simple to fix as cut, push, done. Available in sizes 15mm to 54mm, SharkBite slip fittings have an extended body which allows you to make a pipe repair or system extension without the need for additional fittings or pipework. This is the only solution you'll need to keep to hand for repairing copper, carbon steel, PEX or polybutylene pipes. Here's how to make a repair in 3 easy steps. 15 to 28mm. Locate the hole or damage in the pipe. Isolate the water if necessary, but remember, as SharkBite doesn't need hot solder or heat, it can be installed in wet conditions for even quicker repairs. Cut and deburr. Cut the pipe squarely either side of the leak, hole or damage using a rotary pipe cutter, referring to the technical book for the relevant sizes, and remove the section. Make sure to deburr the end of the pipe. Remove all of the debris and sharp edges. Using the appropriate colour-coded disconnecting clip, mark the insertion depth on both ends of the pipe. Push. Identify the slip end of the fitting and then push this end onto one of the pipes as far as needed or until you reach the stop in the fitting. Line up the second pipe with the fitting and, using the appropriate colour-coded disconnecting clip or disconnecting tongs on the slip end, slide the coupling back over the second pipe until it reaches the depth mark. Done. The repair is now complete. 35 to 54mm. 35mm to 54mm slip fittings are supplied with an instruction band on the slip end of the fitting detailing diameter, removal section length and maximum insert depth and slip direction. They also have a specially designed shark shifter demounting tool unique to 35 to 54mm fittings. Cut. Once you have located the hole or damage in the pipe, mark the required length of section to remove and cut the pipe squarely either side of the damage using a rotary pipe cutter and remove the section. Deburr the pipe and remove all debris. Using the appropriate depth marker or ruler, mark the insertion depth on both ends of the pipe. Push. Deactivate the grab ring using the appropriate size shark shifter and following the markings on the instruction band, push the slip end of the fitting onto one end of the pipe as far as needed or until you reach the pipe stop and the fitting is clear of the second pipe. Slide the coupling back over the second pipe until it reaches the depth insertion mark and reactivate the grab ring by removing the shark shifter. Done. The repair is now complete. SharkBite fittings are all demountable and instantly reusable. Follow the same simple steps using SharkBite slip tees to make system extensions in seconds. For information on the full range of SharkBite fittings, please visit www.sharkbiteplumbing.co.uk.